In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload a video to Canva. Whether you're creating a presentation, crafting a social media post, or working on a video project, uploading your own media is essential. Let's walk through the steps together to understand how this works seamlessly in Canva's interface. First things first, open up your browser and head over to Canva's main page. If you're not familiar with Canva, it's an easy-to-use graphic design tool that can be accessed directly through any web browser. Once you're on the site, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. Spot the Login button, usually located in the top right corner of the homepage. Clicking here will direct you to the login page. If you already have an account, enter your email and password. Otherwise, you might need to create an account, which is a straightforward process, just requiring your email or Google details. After logging in, the platform will prompt you to continue, so go ahead and click on that Continue button. It's a simple step, but crucial to accessing all the features Canva offers. Now you'll be prompted to select your account, especially if you have multiple Google accounts. Just choose the one linked to your Canva account to proceed. Once you're logged in, Canva might prompt you again to confirm your account selection. Just click on Continue, and you'll be taken to your personal dashboard. Now here's where the real action begins. You'll want to select the project that you're working on. It's important that you do this because your video will be uploaded directly to this project. Now with your project open, look to the side panel and click on Uploads. This is your gateway to bringing in external media files into Canva. The upload section is pretty versatile, allowing you to import almost any type of media that your project might need. Click on Upload Files and your File Explorer should open. Navigate through your files and select the video you want to upload, then click Open. Depending on your internet speed and file size, the video will begin uploading into your project. The great thing about Canva is that the upload process is designed to be seamless and user-friendly. As the video is uploading, you'll see a progress bar or indicator. Once your video has uploaded, it'll appear in the Upload section ready for you to drag and drop into your design. You can resize, crop, and move the video within the canvas to fit your design needs. And there you have it. Uploading a video to Canva is really that simple. I hope this guide has been clear and helpful. You now have the knowledge to make your creations more personalized and dynamic by including your own video content. Thanks for watching and happy designing.